Hey everyone, it's Alessandro Bruxel for Home Chef Seattle. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make some edible fall leaves made with sweet potato puree. These make for a great garnish and they're also a great snack. You can also add spices for a nice fall taste. I hope you guys enjoy it. Let's get started. Start by peeling the potatoes. I'm using an orange and a purple sweet potato. Then, chop the potatoes into 1-inch pieces or so. Add the potatoes to 2 different pots of boiling water and cook them until they're fork tender. Next, we're gonna puree the potatoes. Transfer them to a food processor or mixer. I like to add a piece of butter so the puree is nice and smooth. I'm dividing the orange sweet potato and I'm gonna be adding 1 teaspoon of beet powder to half of it to obtain a nice and red color. Repeat the same process to puree the purple sweet potato. So to get the leaf shapes, I have cut my own stencils. You can use thick paper or acetate to make your own, or find available stencils. On a baking sheet lined with a non-stick silicone mat, spread an even layer of the potato puree over the stencil. I like to mix the different colors for a more realistic look. Dehydrate the puree leaves in the oven at 175 Fahrenheit, 79 Celsius for 1.5 to 2 hours, or until completely dry. Let them cool and then carefully remove the leaves from the silicone mat. And the leaves are ready. These make for a great garnish, and they're also a tasty snack. Spices can also be added for taste. I hope you have enjoyed the recipe. Please don't forget to like it, leave a comment, and subscribe for more recipes to come. Thank you for watching.